Mr. Speaker, I don't understand what is the excitement.
Should be happy that there is that excitement.
Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 52.1 to make a statement on an issue of general topical concern and national importance, namely the state of the roads in the country. Mr. Speaker, the importance of roads in the day-to-day lives of citizens. Mr. Speaker, protect me from Senator Cherargei thumping and making too much noise with his feet. Thank you. Mr. Speaker, the importance of roads in the day-to-day lives of citizens cannot be overemphasized, as they are a critical infrastructure enabling ease of movement of people and goods. Unfortunately, many of our roads are in poor condition, characterized by large potholes, inadequate or non-existent road signs, and insufficient markings. The state of our roads has impacted users and the country at large negatively, most notably the increase in road accidents. Mr. Speaker, we acknowledge that while many road accidents are caused by overspeeding, reckless driving, loss of control by drivers, and drunk driving, as exemplified by the recent Mbagathi River accident where a Nairobi-bound Naboka Sacco bus plunged into the river, resulting in 9 fatalities, the dilapidated condition of our roads has also significantly contributed to numerous accidents across the country. And I take this opportunity to extend my condolences to the family of the Mbagathi River accident victims. Mr. Speaker, poor road networks in many parts of the country have led to job losses, wasted time, and increased operating costs. Despite the government's efforts to improve the transport infrastructure, some major roads remain in poor state. According to the International Monetary Fund, IMF, poor roads in developing countries hinder inclusive growth. Mr. Speaker, I believe that some of our roads can be redesigned in order to improve road safety. For example, the 21-kilometer stretch at Salga, once an accident black spot, saw a reduction in accidents by over 90% after a concrete barrier was constructed in 2018. Mr. Speaker, the government must develop tangible solutions to the challenges facing our road network, not only in Nairobi and major cities, but across the entire country. Roads are essential to meeting the needs of the Kenyan economy and the population at large. Mr. Speaker, in conclusion, Kenya registered approximately 48 fatalities per 100,000 people. There is no reason why Kenya should not improve its road safety score by ensuring roads are designated and constructed with safety in mind. I urge the government to deploy all measures necessary to reduce road accidents, fatalities. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.